Hello.
Hello. Hi there.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Camila. What's your
Yeah.
name?
Yeah, I'm Ujjwal.
Ujwal. Okay, nice. I'm from Mexico. Where are you from?
I'm Uttar Pradesh, India.
Ah, I see. Do you live there?
Yeah, I live in Uttar Pradesh. I live in Muradabad. I grew up in my city, Muradabad. Basically, Uttar Pradesh is it in northern part of India.
Ah, okay. All right, I see. India is very big.
Yeah, that's too big.
Okay, got it. All right. Um, well, I would like to get to know you a little better, but also I want to know what you would like to do in this lesson. Is it just speaking, or do you want to do like a cambly lesson?
No, I don't wanna do Cambly lesson. I just wanna speaking normal conversation here. So, yeah, I
Okay,
didn't do
okay.
any proper lesson. So I just want normal conversation. Yeah.
Okay, that sounds perfect. Well, can you tell me more about yourself? What do you do?
Actually, I just completed my intermediate exam and now I'm pursuing my graduation. I'm doing BBA, Bachelor of Business. So basically, it's my first year. So it will take 2 year more. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, congratulations. I mean, it's a step further.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So what about you?
You're well, I'm an English teacher over here. I basically, yeah, that's what I do. It's not very exciting, I guess, for some, but I'm
Yeah,
just a
actually,
teacher.
it is excited for me to be an English teacher because you have to be very clever and you have to be very you have to be well perfect because you are now teacher. So yeah, it is very good.
Yeah,
I
thank
think in
you. Yeah,
America,
that's
like English is your native language, so all the peoples of America are able to teach English.
hmm.
Yeah, like all the peoples
Hmm.
know English very well because you are this is your native language. So this is the common work in America to teach English on Cambly and any other platforms. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good. Great.
that's
Yeah,
hmm.
because English is becoming must day by day. So yeah, like all the pupils want to know English, how to speak English. Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you. Yeah, that's right. English is, I guess, the main language people use to communicate, even like in with like international meetings, so that's right.
Yeah, yeah.
But I also hear that Chinese is going to give us a run.
Oh my
So,
God. Chinese language is too hard. I took trial of Chinese batch once, so yeah, like it was too hard. Like I felt that, so I skipped that.
oh,
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, I think it's very difficult, but a lot of people, when I was in school and university, my professors would advise me to also learn Chinese because it was the future and
Mm.
it was too hard.
Yeah, it is.
Do you speak any other languages? Or what languages do you speak, by the way?
Yeah, like my native language, I can speak Hindi very well, and the other language is English. I can speak English, but like I have the knowledge of just two languages, Hindi and English, because Hindi is my native language, and now I'm learning English. So
Mhm. Okay. I hear in India there are many languages. Is there
yeah,
one main language or there's no official language?
actually, the official language is in Hindi in all over India.
Oh,
That yeah, the native language is in Hindi, but there are 29 states in India, so every state have their different language. Like in Bengal, people speak Bengali, and there are a lot of states like uh, forget now, but there are a lot of states, yeah, and every states have their different language, different accent. But
oh,
the native language is Hindi in India.
Hindi. Oh, I got it. I knew about Bengali as well, but I also heard there are many more, so I cannot remember as well.
Yeah, even I don't remember. So,
Yeah, I bet. Oh, okay. That's very good. Are there any celebrations coming up like over here or
um,
mhm,
I
like
actually I think yeah, the Raksha Bandhan will be come soon. Will be coming soon.
mhm.
So yeah, it is very big festival of India, Raksha Bandhan, and all the Indian sisters bind Rakhi to their brothers, to the hands of brothers. So yeah, the Raksha Bandhan is coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you get days off of work for that special celebration, or is it just normal like days
It is
or
not
days off
too
school?
special, but all the scenario will happen in morning, like from 7 to 12. So yeah,
Mhm.
we have to purchase a lot of foods and eatables to our sisters, and our sister will bind the Rakhi to our hands. So yeah, this has happened.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Do you have many siblings, or how many siblings do you have?
I have just two siblings. I
Oh,
have a small brother and a elder sister. My brother is
older.
doing his 10th grade, and my sister is doing his her post graduation.
Wow, nice. That's very good. I also have two siblings. I have two younger sisters, so we're
Oh,
three
that's
in
good.
total.
Okay, cool.
Oh, yeah. I'm doing all the questions, but you can ask as well.
Okay, so what can I ask? Yeah, I got a lot of questions. Okay, so like, did you ever receive any best or precious gift from someone?
Hmm. Like a bad experience here on Cambly or
No, no. Like, did you ever receive any best gift from someone?
the best gift from
Or just
oh,
it may be your best advice? So,
hmm. I probably have, but I can't recall right now. What
I
about
can
you? Let me
understand.
think.
Okay, so yeah, like I have achieved a lot of things, lot of gifts, and lot of advices. So, like one of my now I'm using my phone, so it is my best gift, which I received from my father as I was in
Oh,
10th grade. So yeah, I was
oh,
very excited at that moment.
yeah, of
And
course.
yeah, like I have received a lot of good advices from my teachers and from my parents and from the elder ones. So yeah, there's a lot of things. But now I forgot
Hmm.
all the things. I forgotten all the things. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like I have received a lot of great advice from professors along the way. And like my family, of course, my mom and dad have given me really good advice throughout life that have that has helped me out. I can't think of something specific though, as of now, like on the spot.
Uh,
And regarding gifts, ah, I'm I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure.
okay, okay, let it go.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
how long have you been teaching on Cambly?
On Cambly, I've only been teaching for a little over a year.
Over here. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So not too much, not too long, but I know a lot of Cambly teachers after like 2 or 3 years, maybe that's it. I don't know what'll happen with me, but I've been enjoying it so far a lot.
You are doing very great. You are doing very
Oh, thanks. How long have you been on Cambly and when did you like start or how did you learn about Cambly?
like I've been optimizing Cambly for over 2 months. and the cambly is very good applications. Now I am interacting to you, and I think so there's no any other platform to interact with any foreigners, because I've searched a lot on YouTube and Google. Is there any platform to connect with foreigners? So once I was using YouTube, so I saw cambly applications ad. So yeah, I installed it, but I wasn't so perfect in English, and I was unable to understand, different accent, mostly American accent. So I wasn't able to, yeah, understand your accent. So I used to watch a lot of American movies to understand their accent. So I watched a lot on YouTube. So once I was thinking, now I should join Cambly now. So I'm here.
Oh, that's good. That's good. What kind of movies are you into, since you said you watched a lot of American movies?
Yeah, like usually I used to watch the horror movies in America, like
Oh,
The Conjuring, Exorcist, and Nun. So yeah, I've
and
watched this. Yeah, and they are all like one the Big Bang Theory, but I wasn't understand at all because the Big Bang Theory accent was too hard and it was too fast. Yeah, I couldn't understand. All the things went over my head. Yeah,
oh, I guess. Yeah, I see. Also because of like the topics that they would talk about as well when they got like into detail on what they were working on. Even
yeah, yeah.
for like me, it was like, oh, I don't know what they're talking about.
Actually,
When,
because they do use a lot of new word, new vocabs, which which we don't know. So that is why all the things go over the head. But now, but if like if they do use the vocabs which we already know, so I think
yeah.
we do understand.
Yeah, exactly. They use the more like scientific terms of
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
So,
yes, yes.
oh. What other TV shows like The Big Bang Theory did you like? Do you like?
Like besides this, I do like the Hindi web series. Yeah, Hindi web
Ah,
series. So it was very joy to watch a Hindi web series because totally it's totally it based on our history. So yeah, it is very useful and we can know that what happened in our history. So yeah, so that's good.
okay. I see. I know um like Bollywood has also had like its peak at some point, so it's very like popular. Um, I can't remember. There are two movies especially that I like, but can't remember their names right now.
Did you go? There are two movies.
Uh-huh. There are two movies that I really like, but I don't remember the first one. It's about a contestant.
Contestant.
He's on a show, and throughout the whole movie, he's like on the show, but the life decisions and how he answers the questions. Oh man.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Yeah, I
Bollywood movies.
there yeah, that too. So maybe I'm just describing like
Yeah. I don't probably
the
watch the Bollywood movies a lot. So
oh really?
yeah, yeah, I just love web series.
What oh okay, I see. Oh, I
Yeah.
got it. Hmm.
Okay.
Alrighty then. And what else? What time is it over there? Just because I hear some beeping.
Mm,
Like, oh, like over here, it's morning time.
morning.
Uh-huh. What time is it over there?
It's okay. It is 7:15. It at evening.
Ah,
Yeah,
oh, we have a
yeah,
12-hour difference.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That is,
Okay, cool.
yeah,
That's good. Mm, well, looks like we're running out of time, but I
yeah.
had a great time.
It was nice meeting to you. Thank you very much for accepting my call.
No problem. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you
Have
around.
a good day. Bye.
Bye bye.